Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing. I got another package. I think I know who it is. This is... Well. It's Bluudude. We got Bluudude now. Alright, time to get everyone now. If I can find where they all are. Alright, we're back. So now it's time to go through everyone. We got Cool Kid in Milestone 4. We have Noli. He kind of has a funky star, but it's supposed to look like that. Mafioso. Now Bluudude. So it's a collection of my Forsaken plushes. I got 4 of them now. Cool Kid and Bluudude, Noli and Mafioso. I still expect to have my tablet case eventually. So that's the next thing I'm expecting in the mail, is my case. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.